Look at those trees. Beautiful. So we're just having a walking tour here in Albissola. If you're new to this channel, this is Adventures with Urazi, live and direct in Albissola. Oh, there are some narrow streets around this end. Wow, guys. Look at those narrow streets, like just like somewhere in Turin. Ooh. It's such a beautiful weekend here. It's already Sunday and life here is seems really beautiful. Like see people smiling, you know, walking around the beach, people with their families and enjoying. Yeah, so it seems like a very nice vacation going around this end. Yeah, and it's really beautiful. Yeah, we are just very close to the beach. You can see the beach out there. The beach is somewhere around that end. So, and this is the town center. So it really looks beautiful, you know. And to be honest, I would really recommend, like, if you're actually living in one of those areas where you don't have any beach, I would actually recommend you to come around this and have a beautiful summer memories. Yeah. And the truth is, like, I'm sure people are not very used to see an African guy like me exploring or vlogging. Yeah, so it's like somehow staring at me. But I'm loving every moment of it. Actually, traveling is one of my hobbies, you know. Yeah, I love exploring new things in life, you know. And I think it's beautiful, like if you are at only one place, sometimes it affects your mind, your mental health. But the moment you go out there and start exploring, you get new ideas, new feelings. You begin to realize that your mind is growing, you know. And I think that's really beautiful, you know. Yeah. And more importantly, you make memories that last forever. Yeah. So maybe I should just walk somewhere around this end. It's summertime here in Italy. I'm right now in Albissola. If you are new to this channel, kindly subscribe and enjoy my lifetime adventures in Italy, because I'm really making amazing memories here. I couldn't even believe, like, guys, I've been to so many towns and cities in Italy within only few months. And only God knows the kind of awesome memories that I made in Italy. Whoa. Sometimes I go through my videos and I feel like, oh my goodness, I can't even believe it, you know. It's a beautiful weekend here in Albissola, guys. So we are on a walking tour. Oh, I don't know. I'm just walking on the streets. I can get myself lost here. but I know for sure I would find my way out. Where am I? Where am I? Huh? That's the church. Yeah, I was somewhere around this church. Now I know where I am. Huh. What a beautiful day in Albissola. So this town has a population of 5,000. Yeah, so it looks very Christian. I don't know. That's my own observation, guys. It looks very Christian, like I've been seeing sisters here. I don't know how. Yeah, I think that's how they are called, sisters. Wow, that's water. Guys, look at this view. It's really amazing, you know. So this town has a lot of narrow streets. Look at these, guys. I just have to wait a little bit so I can get a space. The streets are really narrow and it's awesome. Beautiful. Ooh. Wow, guys, look at that. It's like a fish market. I don't know. I can smell fish. Maybe I'm wrong. Maybe I am really wrong. Oh, because I'm only seeing cafeterias around this end. Ah, guys, it's such a beautiful day here in Albissola. This is Adventures with Raising, live and direct in Italian coastline. In one of the towns in Liguria called Albissola.